appealed that decision to the higher court, and they wrote a very interesting arrêt, as it's called, where they said, well, first of all, this is an administrative question because the Constitution says Parliament controls government. And it's up to Parliament to decide how that control looks.
And how money is distributed.
And the Parliament has the power of the power of the purse. That's a fundamental right of the first power. And so they said MP Clement has the right to request those documents. The second element then was, well, this is a contract that needs to be confidential. Can the government argue that confidentiality can be opposed vis-a-vis an MP? And there the courts then argued that no, they can't oppose it because he's a necessary confidant. And that's how I won that case and got access to the documents.